Say hi to my subscribers.
No, sir, it's not allowed.
सम्मान के साथ मैं रिपोर्टर संवाददाता सम्मान के साथ कैमरामैन सम्मान के साथ हमारे संवाददाता सऊद भाई के साथ हम अब निकल रहे हैं लद्दाख के लिए सो प्लीज प्रे फॉर अस लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन एंड यू विल हैव अमेजिंग कंटेंट अमेजिंग टॉपिक्स एंड अमेजिंग थिंग्स टू सी सो आई गेस यू गाइस विल एंजॉय दिस एंड hasta la vista baby see you in Ladakh. Destination. The trip was to
We reach airport.
so 1 2 3 go yes all ready for Ladakh yeah
एक के साथ
दो फ्री एक के साथ दो फ्री
ये देखो
दो
भाई.
लगा के
ऐसा
इडली सांभर
ऐसा.
दबा के दबा जोर से खींच
यार
सऊद भाई को जिप निकालने को जल्दी आता जिप डालने को वो कितना मुश्किल निकालने को कहीं भी
कोई बाइक नहीं
संभाल यार इसको डर गया
बहुत रगड़ा है. हाँ पो.
क्या था वो and Raghu Raju the famous choreographer of Kandala
Mask.
We are here for baggage claim. So we are done with second baggage. There are a lot of confusion. We don't know what to do. We had plenty of small baggages and we didn't know what to do. Finally, poor Prakyat has to live his baggage and carry everything along with him. So, where, gate number? Yeah, tell me. You have to. So, what are you hunting?
Gate number.
It's over there. Gate number. Gate number. Yeah, it's 3. So old people on escalators and fresh legs on. Oh, so bad news. Bad news, guy. So I didn't know. My guys made a very big mistake saying that we had more than 500 grams of 500 grams. What is it? Yeah, 500 grams of head spray, so which was very vital for the shoot. But क्या हुआ क्या करते हैं कुछ मतलब बेजान अनजान जानकारी लेने की वजह से we had to give it back to the security and they literally dropped it into the dustbin and I was not educated though. But what happened was I had e-cigarette or e-cig is what you call. I bought it just today. I thought I'll enjoy it. Stupid guys, wrong people never listen to wrong people and wrong advice. This is what happened.
हम लोगों का पावर बैंक चला गया, हेयर स्प्रे चला गया.
हाँ यार, वो बोलते हैं तुम्हें लाखों का सामान मुझे कचरे का मुझे कचरा है वो तुम्हें लाखों.
और वेब भी चला गया.
And one guy was very sweet. He was like, you do one thing, you deposit with security, and he said that ask when you come back, you'll collect it. Another guy was like, very मजाक में, अरे यार तुम्हारा लाखों का सामान रहे तो हमारे लिए कचरा ही है, मिट्टी के बराबर है, तो बेटर है कि तुम कचरे में फेंक दो. अरे वो तो फेंक दे. And few guys were like asking me, भाई कितने का था? भाई कचरा बोल दिया अभी उसको कितने का था भाव में एग्जाम्पल लेना लाइक डेवास्टेटेड.
फेंक दिया.
गर्मी भी हुआ मुझे अभी.
ये अनाउंसमेंट स्टार्ट हो गया, जाएंगे.
सर तुम्हारा क्या ले रहे हो? फ्लाइट उधर वेट कर रहे हैं सब लोग चले गए तो अभी खाने का ये मैकडोनल्ड नहीं है भाई, ये तो क्रिस्पी क्रीम है. थोड़ा ब्रांडिंग करेंगे इसका भी. So guys, we are right now all set for the shoot. Are you ready, Mr. Raju?
Yes. Yes, yes, fix.
Full fixed, huh? All right. All right, we are gonna board the flight now, and from here, Delhi, 12:30, 5:55. We have a flight for Leh. So let's see how it goes, and we will keep you posted everything, guys. So stay tuned and follow this guy's channel and subscribe his channel. So I'm vlogging from Saman's, Mr. Saman's. Even he's doing something. So I'm vlogging from Mr. Saman's YouTube channel. सामान आज क्या किया था? आज उधर नर्सिंग होम का आंटी का एक क्या बोलते हैं ब्लाउज पीस था, उसमें से मास्क बनाया था.
Ladies and gentlemen, आपकी सुविधा के लिए
हाँ, मैंने डोनट खाने बोला, ये गोली बजे लेके आए मेरे लिए. ನೋಡೆ ನೇಜ ಪೀಡ್ ಇಳಿಲ್ ಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಯೋದಂದೆ? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್?
ನಾವು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ध्यान दीजिए, आप हमारे फ्लाइट में लड़की चला रही है. अरे लड़कियों से बहुत डर लगता है मुझे भाई. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए यात्रियों जो दिल्ली जाने वाले हैं, अपने कुर्सी के पेटी सही से बांधे. भाई ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. चल भाई, तू मैं आता नहीं.
Will be that 6 more to come, no?
We'll be the last one there. Yes, see you. Thank you. So we are boarding now. तो देखते हैं फ्लाइट मिलता है क्या नहीं, ठीक है ना? तो सी यू गाइस एट दिल्ली. खिलाना तो मुझे. समन को अच्छा कंपनी मिली है. So Saman is a good company and Raju also has a good company over there. So I'm alone. I'm left with only Prakyat. Come on here. Everybody has a good company and I'm left with Prakyat. And this guy will be always with sanitizer. This guy, I hate your sanitizer, man. It stings a lot. Yeah, it's really. Bro, they were. We kicked up 2 beautiful air hostesses from here, man. They're sitting here. They're like, वो लोग क्या बोल रहे थे पता है? They were like, जहाँ बैठते वहाँ से उठा रहे हम लोग. अरे यार, हम लोग पैसे दे के तुम मुफ्त में आ रहे हो. हम लोग पैसे दे के आ रहे इधर. Seriously, no, bro. And they're like, they have to escort us. Ma'am, room temperature, please. Bro, you want masala tea or cappuccino? You want to drink cappuccino? Yes, she'll serve you cappuccino. One more than cappuccino or masala tea. Cappuccino with sugar. First sugar, then... Oh, it's all balanced.
We reached Delhi.
It is the capital of India.
Say hi to my subscribers.
No, sir, it's not allowed.
Delhi airport. Duty free launch. ये देखो हमारा टीम.
So we had a very good time at the lounge. यहाँ से हम लोग सीधा बोर्डिंग के लिए जाएंगे. So we have very good food. The food was amazing and I had a little bit of rice, lentil soup. So yes, we'll head out. Well, very good morning, peeps. It's you can say yes, it's 4:30 in the morning and we are ready to board a flight to Leh from Delhi. So I have Prakyat with me here, and so is Raju. And Prakyat bhai, how's it? It's 29. Are you ready for 9?
I'm ready.
Raju bhai, it's 29 degrees here. Are you ready for 9 degrees? All prepared? Oh yeah, see, there's a very important thing which we have to make a note. We have taken a tablet. What is it called? What is the tablet called, Prakyat?
dioxin.
Yeah, dioxin. What does it do?
It helps us to helps our blood to reduce
Oxygen.
need of oxygen.
Okay, right. See, we already have a doctor in house, so make a point when next time when you go to Leh, you should have a doctor in house. So make a point you have the tablet. I'll mention in the description what the tablet you have to use it. So which is very important in Leh because since it's above the sea level and we are entering into the Ghats, I mean the Himalayas, so we have to reduce the oxygen content in our blood cells. क्या बोलने का भाई? Finally, the Rock has come back, not to please you. So finally, the Rock has come to. Where's the Rock? Rock is here, right? Rock, bro, how are you doing?
Good.
All right. So we all are safe. This guy need to be quarantined. So we are away. So we are put in a quarantine zone. तो हम सब लोग पहुंच चुके हैं लद्दाख. It is and I guess it will be a very good experience. So we'll be sharing the moments. उससे पहले सबसे पहले make sure you guys are vaccinated, which is more than 30 days, right? 15 days, yeah. Or you should have a current RT-PCR test done. If not, they'll get a test done here for you guys. So nothing to worry. Just fly down to Leh and get it tested, and there you go. So now it's 8 a.m. in the morning. We have reached Ladakh, Leh airport. नाम क्या था? चिंग पोंग पोंग चिंग चिंग चुंग चुंग ऐसा कुछ नाम था, समझ में नहीं गया. So we have reached here. We got all our stuffs here. You can see the beautiful Omni, air conditioned Omni. मैं दोस्तों को बोल रहा था ये Omni air conditioned है. तो हमारे गांव में ये Omni नहीं.
वो ये मैं नहीं.
Those Omni our place are like it's like a steam engines. तो हमेशा वहाँ से पसीना निकला कुछ नहीं लगता. यहाँ का तो air conditioned Omni लग रहा है. So from here we are heading to our hotel and we'll rest for a few hours, if I'm not wrong. Then from there we'll start our journey of what do you call that? Location Reke. Yeah, Reke. So see you later. Bye bye till then.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. पसंद आया है तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और नेक्स्ट व्लॉग के लिए वेट करो. यहाँ पे थोड़ा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर.